Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another shirt for you. This is her splotch spiral.
No, it was Lisa Frank.
Oh,
Cheetah
sorry.
Print.
Cheetah print rainbow spiral. Lisa Frank, whatever. Whatever that is.
The girls out there will know what that is.
Okay. That pattern.
Lisa Frank inspired.
Random spiral rainbow tie-dye. Random rainbow. Out here with the cold water, about to move inside to the hot. Looking nice. Get it hosed off good. You want to get as much of the color out as you can out here before you move inside and get the final rinse down on the inside. If there's anything y'all would like to see us try to do, make sure to leave it in the comments below. To the inside.
You want to get that?
Get it unbanded, folks. I'm pretty interested to see how this one turned out. I think this one's going to be quite interesting. We've never done one like this. We've only done very specific patterns on our spirals, so this will be very interesting to see. Be very unique for sure. What do you think, Vic?
I think it's going to like it.
Look at all that yellow. Ooh. Get a little sneak peek there, people. Don't get too excited, though. I'm about to get to see what we got. Yeah. Look at that. Nice gradient of colors in that one spot. Let's see what we got. What we got. Whoa, cool. Okay, that's pretty cool. Don't you think? That's pretty neat. Yeah. Awesome. That is so cool. Yeah, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. That's pretty cool.
I'm going to keep that one.
You are? I thought she
one.
might. She said she was going to when she was making it, so we'll see. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that actually came out pretty good. This is her, what'd you call it? Lisa Frank. I'm calling it the Random Rainbow. It's got nice lots of good splotches on there. We have lavender, hot pink. Look at all those greens in there. Lots of greens and yellows. Oh yeah, looks really cool. Really cool indeed. All the way to the sleeves. Oh yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below. I think she's gonna keep this one, but if you like it, we could make you one very close to it. But yeah, alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.